Hi loves, welcome back to the channel Expert Empire. I'm Esther. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to cut and perfectly sew an Aso-Oke Gele. This is a very detailed and interesting tutorial, guys, and it is beginner friendly. I'll be showing you how to arrange your Aso-Oke Gele and sew it such a way that it will not overlap too much and it will be so perfect. You will sew it like a pro, guys. One thing I love about Aso-Oke Gele is that though it is generally common among the Yorubas who are from the western part of Nigeria, it is also versatile because almost everybody makes use of Aso-Oke Gele irrespective of the tribe, okay? And this is because it gives your outfit this unique, gorgeous and royal look. Most of the time it makes you stand out, it pops out your look, okay? You know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying, right? Yes. And also, one thing again I want to let you know is that how full the style that you want to tie with the Aso-Oke Gele will come out. It depends on how long, that is the length and the width of the Aso-Oke Gele. I'll be explaining all this in detail in the tutorial. To my returning subscribers, thanks a bunch, guys. I really appreciate your effort and your support. Thank you very much. God bless you all. And if you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. I will be working with this mint green Aso-Oke, and with me here I have half of a bundle. Mind you, a bundle contains 8 strips, okay? So I'm working with this half of a bundle, which is 4 strips. I'll be using the 4 strips to make this Aso-Oke Gele. You can make use of 3 strips if you want. It's just that using 4 strips makes your Aso-Oke Gele wider for more coverage and more creative styling, okay? You can see the sky blue Aso-Oke Gele showing on the left hand side on the mannequin right there. I used 3 strips of Aso-Oke to make that gele, and you can see the styles that I tied with it. You can see how beautiful it is. 3 strips is also okay, right? But if you want a fuller gele, then you can use 4 strips. So now I'll measure the length of the Aso-Oke for us to know how many inches long it is. So this is 60 inches. Then I'll measure the rest like this. So I have 12 inches there. So 60 plus 12 is 72 inches. So this Aso-Oke is 72 inches long. I'll go ahead and open up the strips like so. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 strips right there. The length differs from one Aso-Oke to another, the same as the width as well. So I'll place one on the other like so, and then I'll sew it down. So let me take you to the same machine to show you how to do it like a pro. So you can see I placed this one on the other one like so, very close to each other. You can see what I'm doing. Just watch closely and then I'll stitch. Okay, make sure you place yours the same way I did, making sure that close to each other, very close. You can see the stitch I have right there. When you open it, it is not overlapping too much. The reason for this is so that when you tie your Aso-Oke Gele, the stitch will be hidden, okay? That joining would not show when you make your pleats. But if there is too much overlapping right there, by the time you tie your Aso-Oke Gele, the joinings will show as well as the overlapping. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I will go ahead and stitch it all through the way down. Then I will take the second strip as well and place it. And when placing the Aso-Oke Gele on each other, make sure you place them facing the same direction like this. So I'll place this on this like this, facing this way. I'll do the same thing for the last strip as well, so that everything will be in uniform. All right, so I'll go ahead and place it on the other one like this again. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm repeating the same process, okay? Just place it on each other, very close to each other like this. You can see, place it down, make sure it is aligning well, and then you sew. Very, very easy, guys. You're a beginner, you can do this. It's very easy. So I'll go ahead and stitch it off camera and bring it back to show you what it looks like. So I'm done stitching, and you can see I pinned down the front side of the Aso-Oke. The way it is being knitted, if you look closely, you will notice the front side is kind of more shiny than the back, okay? Sometimes you might not easily differentiate, okay, but if you look closely, you will see that the front side is more shiny than the back. All right, Another way you can do that is to make sure you follow the way it is being wrapped in the bundle to cut and then join, all right, so that you have uniform face on the front side and on the back side. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now I'll go ahead and cut off this frilled part of the ashoke so that it can be in uniform. Okay, so after cutting off that part, I would fold it in like so. Just fold a little. You can see it's frilling, so just take your time and then be careful while you fold. If you don't want your ashoke to frill like this, you can use hot scissors, or you can use your soldering iron to solder that place, or your lighter, whichever one works for you. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and fold it in like this and then stitch it down. Make sure the fold is not too bulky, all right, just something moderate like this. You fold it in, all right, and then you stitch it down to the end. Okay, so when I get to the end like so, I would go ahead and back stitch to secure my stitch in place. Okay, I'll repeat the same thing for the other side, and voila, our Aso-Oke Gele is ready, guys. You can see how neat it is. I'll go ahead and remove the pins from the Aso-Oke, and you can see the gele, right? It is looking so wide. With this, you can tie any style, or you can create any style of gele with this. Okay, you can see the uniformity of the joining, all facing the same direction, and for the front you can see they are all facing the same direction as well. So I'll bring this close to the camera for you to see the overlapping I have there. You can see it is very close to each other, right? I'll measure what I have left after I have folded the edges. So this is 60 inches right here, and then I'll measure the rest. So I have 9 inches. The gele is now 69 inches long, which is very okay. All right, with this you can tie any style of your choice. It is long and it is also wide, so I would iron it out. I'll just give it a little press to stretch those parts that are looking rumpled. Okay, so with this we've come to the end of this interesting and easy DIY gele tutorial. So this is me just folding the Aso-Oke Gele and then packaging it. This is very beautiful, guys, and it is very easy to make. Let me know if you find this video helpful in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up. Make sure you click on the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Please share this video with your fellow soulmate, family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.